What up, what up? Good morning. How we doing? Hopefully everybody had a nice weekend. Hopefully you guys are ready to make some money with me today. Oops, there we go. The futures, honestly, I don't really have an idea where the market wants to go. Like, there's a lot of resistance to the upside on SPY, but it kind of looks like we're forming a little bear, or not a bear flag, a bull flag right here. So we're in a really iffy spot. We got to see if we break to the upside or if we break to the downside. So the best thing to do, stay patient. But yeah, good morning everybody. Hopefully you guys watched my SPY and QQQ technical analysis, as well as the top stocks that I'm going to be watching this week. Tons of amazing setups. We are definitely going to be watching Amazon. Hopefully the Amazon premiums, or they die down with the split price. Yeah, Amazon's going to be interesting. I actually haven't even looked at the charts yet. Wow, okay. So I did, okay, perfect. I remember when Apple did its split, the chart didn't adjust quite yet. But yeah, Amazon, that 130.76 is going to be an interesting level in the near future. We shall see though. Is AMD booming? Let's see, AMD. You haven't even looked at anything yet. Everything looks, it looks good to the upside today, but how much are we gapping up? That's the issue. And are we going to create some shoulders? Shoulder one, shoulder two, head, shoulder one, shoulder two. We shall see. Neckline would be like right here at 304. Is Tesla going to rally? I wish I could tell you the answer to that. I would make $1 million today if I knew that answer. Anyways, so over the weekend, I did a few things to my chart layouts. Let's see, this one right here. So I'm going to be able to identify squeezes easier. So it's going to let me know, okay, is there a 5-minute squeeze, 10-minute squeeze, 30, 60, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, 3-day, whatever it is, it's going to let me know. And then I also created this watch list that actually, this is the day trading watch list, and it shows me which stocks on this day trading watch list are squeezing. Makes it so much easier to find. But yeah, that's what I did over the weekend. Other than that, before we make this watch list, make sure you guys do click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. And there's the chart. But yeah, make sure you guys click that like button. And let's make this watch list. So 1 hour, 4 hour daily. And we will start with the priority week. So hold on. Let me get everything set up on the other screen. How's everybody's weekend though? Anybody start reading the book? What you guys think of it? Hopefully you guys like it. I'm sorry that there's a few errors. Gonna have to fix those errors, send you guys a new one today. Let's see. Hold on, just moving everything around. There we go. Cool. Now we can start. Alrighty. So priority week. Start with AMD. Remember AMD, it has that high confluence area right here. I'm personally interested above, I would say like 110. In the meantime, not really interested until we're able to break above that 110 level. Again, it's sitting at the trend line. Maybe it gets above it today. If that's the case, what's the pre-market high? You could scalp it, 60-cent move. Like I said, I'm more interested up here. So what I'm gonna do, create an alert at or above, boom. Good, I'm glad you guys are liking the book. Let's see, Amazon. This could be a tricky one. Need it to come back down. It needs to stop ripping. But we will put Amazon on the list. Come back to it. Amazon. Yeah, if you guys did not purchase the book yet, here's the link. It is officially released. I know there's a few errors in it. Like I said, I will be fixing it today, and sending you guys all the new copy. If you purchased the book, you got an email with the PDF and the Word file. So all you have to do is click thank you and you should be able to download it. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button though. Coin. What was it? GME. That's what I'm interested in today. If GME can get above 138.1, I will be very interested. GME. HAL, looking for a double top. Up here at 42.6. If it's able to do that, I'll probably look for some puts. Whoops. Create an alert at or above. There we go. IBM, looking for the breakout. Looks like it actually... Looks like it might want to do it today. Might be able to day trade this. Hold up. Depends on the spreads. We might be able to. Those 143s have some liquidity in them. So let's keep our eye on that. McDonald's, looking for the breakout there. Nvidia. 192.23. I would be interested in Nvidia, but again, be careful of this head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, maybe shoulder number 2 when we come back down. If it breaks above, we should see the continuation. So I do like the Nvidia. 4 hours looking good. Daily's looking semi-good. We do have that squeeze. OKE, looking for the swing there. ON is actually a semi-stock, so it moves with NVIDIA and AMD. I've actually swung ON in the past. Don't think I've ever swung Dr. Pepper, and I don't know what VICI is. We're making money every day in Team Bull. Let's see, PFE just waiting for the breakout of the trend line. Just gonna set an alert up here. SQ. Friday's high, 86.87. There's liquidity in the 85s and the 90s. So we'll see with that. Tesla, honestly with Tesla, I'm more interested in the downside. No, I don't really care about the upside. I want to see puts below 700. I want to see a break below 700 per put. 4 puts, good God. Can't talk. But yeah, not interested in Tesla to the upside this week. Exxon, did we hit 100? Very close. I want to see what happens with Exxon at 100, see if we can get a reject. We could scalp that 40-cent move, but I would prefer to reject it there. So there's that. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. If you guys do want the watch list, post it in the chat. Make sure to click the like button. We need 150 likes. Anyways, Apple, no squeezes on it, but not interested. AMD. Did we already look at AMD? Yeah, we did. Boeing banned. Baba, no squeezes, but does have a bull flag. Somebody said there was China news. What's the China news? Somebody put it in the chat. What was it? Something about COVID, I think. They lifted the restrictions. Oh, Baba's right by that psychological number 100. Maybe for a reject, Baba. 100 reject. We looked at coin. I don't trade Costco anymore. CRWD squeezing on the 4 hour and daily. Liquidity in the 175s. That's far out of the money. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that. I think we looked at Facebook too. Yeah. Maybe if it can crack above here, 194, I'd be interested. But again, it looks like it has another head and shoulders. It looks like a lot of these stocks are forming head and shoulders right now on the 1 hour. 1 hour and 4 hour actually. So definitely keep that on watch. Facebook maybe above 194. I'd be interested in. Facebook, Microsoft squeezing on the 4 hour. Thank you for the subscribe. I gotta turn down my volume. There we go. Orange dots, okay. I like that. 273.79, we could look for 275s. Or below yesterday's low, or Friday's low. So Microsoft. MU is squeezing on the daily. MU is actually getting close to that support. So I'd like to see it come back down to 65, 67. I'll see what happens there. PayPal, we're already looking at SQ. Yeah, all right, so Amazon, GME, IBM, NVIDIA, SQ, Exxon, Baba, Facebook, Microsoft. Honestly, I don't know anything about SoFi. Not a single thing about it. But again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. We got 165 people in here and only 90 likes. Remember, if you guys do want the watch list posted today in the chat, then I need you guys to run it up to 150 likes. Let's look at the economic calendar real quick. What is today? The 6th. Nothing today. We do have the foreign trade balance tomorrow, though. Gonna have to keep an eye on that. Jobless claims. CPI on Friday, that's gonna be super important. And the Fed balance. Cool. Futures, how we looking? We'll see. Definitely iffy today. Somebody asked about crude. Red. I do like that 3-day squeeze on the crude though. I still think it has a further continuation. Anyways, let's narrow this list. This one. All right, start from the top. Amazon. Good thing I had the $500 puts on Amazon. I'm about to bank. We're gonna have to see. Amazon, I'm not gonna know until a little closer to market open. Don't buy an ETF for Bitcoin, just go with Bitcoin itself. Makes no sense to buy a stock for Bitcoin and get minimal returns when you can just buy Bitcoin itself. Let's see, GME 138.1, pretty interested in. So GME like, IBM. Interesting, keep an eye on that, question mark. NVIDIA. If NVIDIA can break 192.33, it's interesting, but again, possible head and shoulders. So NVIDIA, like if it can break. There's a spider on my monitor. SQ. Maybe. I think out of all of these, I really like that Microsoft a lot. Get a bigger chart. Let's see. Yeah, it could be pretty big. There we go. Yeah, let's see if it can crack 273.79. It's a very interesting level. Aim for this high right there. Whoops. Pretty sure it broke that trend line. Yes, it did. Should pretty much be a straight shot. 280.7. Unless there's any SMAs blocking it. Let's see. The 55 EMA is at 278.24. Boom. I really like this setup. I wouldn't be interested in puts unless it fell below Friday's low, but to the upside, I love this thing. Neither bullish or bearish. I'm going to take what the market gives me today, and I'm going to make trades based off of what I see. So, all right, Microsoft. Looking to see if this 4-hour squeeze fires up. Let me move you guys away from the keyboard. Fires up. Let's see. Over 273.8 for calls. Price target equal 274.77, 275.88. I would say you can aim for last week's high too, which is going to be at 277.69. 277.69, 270.24. There's Microsoft. Definitely love that one. Facebook. Maybe. Again, real quick, if you guys did not already purchase my new trading ebook, make sure you guys do that. Here is the link. I worked on this thing for like a year, put so much time and effort into it, so it would mean the world to me if you guys picked yourself up a copy. And other than that, for the people who actually like purchased the book so far, I got more people joining here now. How do you guys like the book so far? Like, be dead honest. If it sucks, tell me it sucks. But if you actually like it, let me know. I want some feedback. I want to know how I can make the book better before I actually do hard copies. Type it in the chat for me. If Facebook, honestly, 194 is going to be a huge level for Facebook. Above there, we could see the push. Let's look at QQQ. You see QQQ has that huge head and shoulders as well. Where's the top? Top is right there. 313 is going to be an important level. That's what I like to hear. Good, good. Yeah, very iffy market right now. Would like to see SPY above 415, but 416.50 should be a level that we want to know about. Back to the top of the list. Amazon. Yeah. Again, if you guys purchase the ebook, you get an invite to the book holders Discord. I answer all your questions in there if you have them. I don't know why, but I feel like Amazon's gonna rip. Could be completely wrong. GME, if we can get back up above that level. IBM, depends on the liquidity. Nvidia. All right, let's watch a video above 192.23. Take it back to Friday's high. 200. Person's pivot say pretty much that level that I had. Actually, no, Friday's high is here. And then 196.7. Cool. Everybody got a Discord invite. If you purchase the book and you have the ebook, you got a Discord invite. It's in a text document. Had so many people reach out about that. Trust me, everybody got an invite. No, it's a different Discord. It's for people who only have the book. It's called Brandon's Book Club, BBC. NVIDIA, looking for the break above 192.25 for calls. Price target equal 193.32, 198.19, 196.7, 200. Boom, there's a video. Keep our eye on that. Yeah, couldn't think of a different name. So we're rocking with BBC. You got an issue? Want you to go tell your significant other that you joined the BBC community. See what they say. Let's see, 85.6. Where did I say the liquidity was? 90. Depends if it breaks. It's like right at that level. I prefer this to the downside, of course. It broke. All right, let's put X on. I'm just gonna set an alert. Unless I can't find anything else to watch. But yeah, 100 on Exxon, that's gonna be very important. Keep your eye on that. I gotta turn the volume down. Exxon. Baba. Same thing with Baba. I mean, I'd watch it at 100. I've had some bad luck with Baba, so I don't think I'm gonna touch it. I'll touch it with a 5-foot pole. Facebook 194, where's the top? We got some room. Let's see. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Once we get 150 likes, that is when I will drop the watch list in the chat. That was the previous low. Previous high point way back there. Oh. Yeah, there's really not too much support or resistance that we can use. Above that. All right, let's see what happens above 194. Actually, 195. Friday's high was at 196.61. All right, let's watch Facebook. Above 194. Facebook looking for a break above 194 for calls. Price target equal 195, 196.27, 196.61, 197.91, 200, 200.94. There's Facebook. How many likes we at? We're at 130 likes. 130 likes. We need 20 more. Do I still do the spying QQQ? Of course I do. It's on my channel right now. I just uploaded it on Saturday. Right there. Spying QQQ plus the top stocks to watch for the week. Every single Saturday, I do these levels for you guys. Tons and tons of videos. Make sure you guys got the bell icon on. That way you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. But yeah, every single Saturday I got them for you. Let's see, we want this one, and then kind of want to see what happens with Amazon. Just look for like intraday setups though. See if the person's pivot's adjusted. $125. Oh, it doesn't even have like the monthly pivots or anything anymore. It's just the dailies. I think Amazon might be the one. GME. Back to that, a little closer to market open. IBM. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing some covered puts on Amazon. Cash secured puts, actually. I'm gonna do them today because that implied volatility is gonna be jacked. Taking tons of premium off of it. SQ's flirting with the level. You guys can watch SQ. Honestly, what I'm interested in is going to be the Exxon 100 reject, Baba 100 reject, and Amazon over 125. Amazon. AMD is not on the list. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. This does not help me, Amazon, at all. Well, I guess we're looking for intraday setups. We already did Microsoft. Microsoft's already on the list. If you bought the ebook, you got a Discord invite to the book holder's Discord. It got sent with the ebook. It's in a text document. Amazon. Want to see how this reacts. Watching over Friday's high at 125 for calls. Price target equal 125.73, 126.75, 130. Then a huge daily gap. Boom. There's Amazon. Cool, so we need 6 more likes for you guys to get the watch list in the chat. 6 more. It's free 99 to click that like button. Anyways, Amazon. Keep our eye on that one. Then we had, let's see, it was Microsoft with the 4-hour squeeze. Gotta keep a very close eye on that one. Nvidia. Break above the pre-market highs for calls. And then Facebook. So Amazon, Microsoft, Nvidia, Facebook, of course Facebook, you had to do that. QQQ and SPX. Boom. And again, real quick, if you guys did not purchase the new ebook, here is the link. Again, if you purchase the ebook, you get an email with the Discord invite. It's in a text document, but you're gonna get the download links to the book. Everyone who purchased the book, you will be getting a new copy today. I will be sending updated versions, and we need 2 likes. 2 more likes. I will tell you what, Amazon is my favorite setup of the day. Or not Amazon, Microsoft, my bad. This is my favorite setup. Boom. Okay, we had 150 likes. So, Microsoft. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, thank you. Few minor mistakes, dumb mistakes, but they will get fixed. Facebook, Amazon. Cool. So in the meantime, we got a few minutes. So if you guys got any questions, feel free to type them in the chat and I'll answer them. If you're a channel member, I am posting them in the community right now. Nvidia, Facebook, Amazon. And if anything, if the market turns sour and it ends up dumping, I'll just look for setups to the downside. So this is my plan for the day again. None of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this video or discussed in this video is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very, very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment. So as always, make sure you guys use proper risk management. Understand, nothing that I'm talking about is financial advice. I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Thank you. Yeah, I just continue to watch oil. I personally think that Exxon's gonna hit that 100 and tank. So it should take oil with it, but if it's able to break above 100, then it's definitely gonna go higher. Let's see what's going on with Lockheed today. I'm not too interested. Any other questions before I hop off? They are, but we're in a weird market. Again, if the EMAs are stacked down, you don't have to be only looking for puts. The market will offer you trades both ways. It lets you know the overall trend if the EMAs are stacked down or up. So if they're stacked down, the overall trend is bearish, but we can still make trades to the upside. Don't get that confused. Yep, coin is not on the list today. I don't like it. HAL, I have an alert at the double top. Cool. You want one bing bong? Bing bong. That make you happy? That's your bing bong for the day. Boeing band. Anyways, alrighty, let's hold on, there's savages levels. Cool. Alrighty, so let's run it up today. Let's make some money. As always, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys do that and click that bell icon because I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time to give you guys a completely free watch list. And again, if you have not purchased the new ebook, Make sure you guys do that. That is the link right there. Make sure you guys join the private community. Also, make sure you guys join Team Bull if you would like to get my live alerts in live voice as well in my channel, plus 7 other analysts who are posting their signals. So yeah, make sure you guys join Team Bull. The link is in my Instagram bio. Other than that, everybody have an amazing day. Let's